If you are holding a $1,000 smartphone in your hands right now, and you're not using it to make $5K to $15K a month, then listen up. In under 2 years, I made 7 figures by promoting other people's products and services online for just 1 to 2 hours a day on my phone. This is known as affiliate marketing. What I do is called high-ticket affiliate marketing, which just means that the things I promote cost more, so my commissions are higher. I don't hold inventory. I don't cold message or cold call. It's just a relationship between me and the brand. You can choose whatever brand and product you want to promote, and from there, all you do is create content. You can even choose the kind of content that you want to create to promote those products. People are doing this, making thousands of dollars from home. The number one thing that I see people struggling with when they start this is they try to do it on their own. They use Google and YouTube, that's their only research, and they get super overwhelmed with where to start and how to scale this to 6 figures. Want to learn the same way as me? Click the link in my bio and I'll give you a free breakdown.